In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off location on AirPods Pro 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily turn off the location permissions for your AirPods Pro 2. The main purpose of doing this is to remove them from the Find My app. The app usually gives you options to track your device's precise location. However, it can get annoying with specific notifications, and you might want to disable the location permissions for your AirPods. So this will work for any model. All that you have to do is open the Find My application. So look for the Find My app. This should be available by default on any iPhone model, and then tap on your AirPods Pro. Now, if you swipe from the bottom of the screen and then you bring this panel up, if you look all the way down, you will be able to find remove this device. As the option suggests, this will remove the device from Find My. And essentially, you will not receive any notifications related to this device's location. So all that you have to do if you would like to remove it altogether is to tap this option. You can add it again later on, so you just have to assign it to your iCloud account and you will be able to track it again. And something else to consider is that you can simply disable the notifications. So if the notifications are bothering you, you should be able to modify this option here and this option here. As long as you toggle them off, you will not receive notifications whenever you are far away from your AirPods Pro 2. But if you would like to remove them altogether and turn off the location completely, then use this option at the bottom of the screen. And upon doing this, you will be good to go. The location will be essentially disabled and they won't appear in the Find My application now. And like I said, you can add them later if needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off location on AirPods Pro 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.